In today's video, I'm going to teach you to add voiceover in CapCut. Whether you're narrating a tutorial, adding commentary, or polishing a vlog, recording your voice directly inside the editor is quick and reliable. We'll keep it simple and clear. First, open your CapCut and import your video. Launch the app, start a new project, and bring in the clip or clips you want to narrate. If you see a prompt asking for media access, allow it so CapCut can pull your footage in. Give the video a quick play to confirm you're in the right spot. It helps to move the playhead to the point where you want the narration to begin, so your recording lines up exactly where you need it. Next, click outside the timeline. This just means tap on an empty area so no specific clip is selected. Deselecting prevents your audio from being attached to a single asset in a way you don't intend, and tells CapCut you're about to work with the overall track instead of a particular piece. If you're unsure where to tap, look for a blank space around the tracks and tap once until nothing shows a selection border. Now click audio, then click record. The audio option sits in the toolbar. Once you open it, choose record to bring up the voice capture panel. CapCut may ask for microphone permission. Grant it so the app can hear you. You'll usually see a brief countdown before recording begins. Take a breath, keep your mouth a consistent distance from the mic, and speak clearly. Try to record in a quiet room to cut down on background noise, and keep an eye on your input indicator if you see one. Steady green is ideal, while frequent red peaks mean you're too loud. If you stumble, pause briefly and continue, or simply do another take. When you stop the recording, CapCut places the voiceover on the timeline under your video at the position of the playhead. Play it back to make sure the timing and volume feel right. If the take doesn't match your expectations, don't worry. Recording again is quick and you can replace it in seconds. A quick tip: having a short outline nearby helps you stay on track and keep your pacing steady. Smile while you speak, it comes through in your voice. And if you hear room echo, moving closer to the mic often makes an immediate difference. And that's all there is to it. Open CapCut and import, click outside the timeline, then audio and record, and your narration is ready to go.